Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video at More at Homestead. Before we begin, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.
Panther's hungry.
Panther's hungry. Before we get started on today's video, we got a pretty cool video. Hunter and I are about to run down to the creek, put out some traps, and bait it with a couple different things, and see what we can catch. But before we do that, I'm going to show you something we got in the mail. We got a couple things of Buck's seasoning from Rob Thompson Farms. He always keeps us in stock of these. We eat them on everything. And we got little baby's first onesie in. It says, "Pack my diapers, I'm going hunting with Daddy." So that's pretty cool. Thanks again, Rob Thompson Farms. Appreciate it so much. It's pretty cool. What? Hallie loves this stuff. She likes putting it on our french fries, don't you? Yeah?
And on our meat.
And on our steaks and chicken and pork chops and everything. This stuff goes on it. So
Except for pudding.
Except for pudding. Yeah, we haven't tried it, but I bet it'd be good. So if you guys are interested, it's just Buck's multi-purpose seasoning, and it is good. I'm not sure where he gets it from. He lives up in New York, so somewhere up around there, I guess. You could probably find it online, but thankfully we haven't had to do that yet because we always... ooh, that was close.
What?
We're always in stock of this stuff. So, all right, we're going to run out, check on the animals, grab the traps, throw them in the truck, head down to the creek, put them out, and we'll see what we can catch. So let's get started, guys. All right, well, we got the animals taken care of. Got 8 eggs today, no turkey eggs. We did get 1 turkey egg the other day. Pretty sweet deal, but haven't got one since for whatever reason. The weather has turned off a little cooler, a little chillier. Maybe that stopped them, I don't know. I got something I may be doing with the cows. I don't know yet. I'm going to be talking to a few people, maybe doing some swapping for one that's big enough to butcher. Dutch and I are going to split a cow. I got a butcher date, and that pen just really ain't big enough to support all the animals. So we're probably, as bad as I hate to, we're going to have to get rid of Ruth and Eeyore. I haven't talked to Lindy about this. This is going to be the first time she's going to hear about this. Probably going to flip out a little bit. But may talk to her uncle who we got him off of. He's got a heifer that is about 1,000 pounds that he can, he said that we could get off of him to butcher. I may see if he wants to do some swapping back and pay the difference. If not, we'll just buy it off of him, no big deal. But that's an option because that's just not, it's not panning out like I thought it would when we put the cows in that spot. So there's just not enough room for them. The grass is ate up. It's turned into mud in there. Feed is ridiculous how much we're having to feed them every day. So we're going to have to do something about that, as bad as I hate to. But anyways, that's for another video. Today we are setting out some creek traps. Alrighty, folks, well, we made it down here to the creek where we're going to put this in at. Hunter's looking for a beaver over there that chewed up that tree. You see it?
I don't see the beaver.
I know, you won't see him. I think what we're going to do, instead of putting it right here where we caught those turtles last time, I'm thinking about walking it just right over here and dropping it off this ledge here where it looks like some pea gravel and stuff are. May put one there and then one a little farther down in that grass. But I'm going to have to get some of the string for this other one because I forgot my rope. So I'm going to do that right now. Got anything to say, Hunter?
We got some bread and hot dogs here.
What are we going to do with it? Tell them what we're going to do.
We're going to bait it with the trap.
We're going to bait the trap with that. What are we going to catch?
I don't know.
What do you want to catch?
A turtle?
You want to catch a turtle?
What are we hoping to catch?
I hope we catch some perch, some fish, and some crawdads. Is that what you hope to catch?
And turtles. Hot dog.
Hunter, you're a weirdo.
No, I'm not.
All right, well, we got our stuff all gathered up here. We're gonna sneak through these woods right here. It's a little clearing. And throw our trap out right off here. All right, well, let's bait this bad boy. Throw you a piece of bread down in there. Throw you a hot dog.
No.
No, just two pieces of bread, and then a hot dog. Put it down in there. All right.
Why can't we use the other one?
We're gonna put it in that one. Alrighty. Trap number 1, baited.
That one done.
Got that one done. You can see I got it. Tied that T-post there. It's wired up. Wire in the ground. It's quite a ways out there. I can still see it just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it down there. Right there. See the bread. All right, Hunter. Where do you want to put this next trap at?
Right there.
Right over there in that opening?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Bread. 2 pieces of bread, right?
Oh, you gotta get the bread all the way in there. There we go, like that. Yep.
And then a hot dog, right?
Put it all in there. That's it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Can you hold this up right there?
Right here?
Yeah, hold that right there. I'm gonna tie this bottom here in a knot just because I don't want our bait falling out of it. Know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
What if we catch all these holes? Every one of those holes.
See, there we go.
Let's catch one.
Got it all baited up.
What if we catch 6 stuff?
That'd be crazy. All right, buddy, ready? Flip right side up.
Something real work, huh?
We need it to flip the other way, don't we?
Uh-huh.
Ah, about had it. There we go. Sink all the way.
I wanted it by T-post.
We'll tie it to this barbed wire right here.
That's connected to there.
Mm-hmm. Get down there. It's not very deep. We're going to find a deeper place next time probably. But we've got one there and one there.
What do you think we're going to catch below the comments?
Say, drop it in the comment below.
Drop it in the comment below.
Alright guys, that's all we got on part 1 of this video. We'll catch you when we're checking this trap right now. So I just thought that we were going to see you guys when we check them traps. But we got a surprise to show Hallie. She forgot all about it. She really has. She has no clue what we're talking about.
What?
See, she's lost. Are you lost?
Yeah.
Do you not know what we're talking about?
Nope, don't know anything.
Do you remember at school putting something in a cup and waiting on it to grow.
Yeah.
What? Tell them what you made.
Beans.
You planted a bean, right?
You planted a bean, right? Just a little bean?
Mm-hmm. 2 of them.
How big was it? Show me how big it was with your fingers. A little tiny?
Yeah, it's a bean.
All right, close your eyes. Don't peek. Don't peek.
Nah, my eyes covered and my eyes closed.
All right. Look at this.
Me?
Hallie?
And now, open.
Open.
What's that?
Whoa, bean.
You got one on each of them.
And over here.
Whoa.
Can you show them?
I don't think you guys can see that. Right there.
Eyes covered my
Yeah,
mouth.
there we go.
Eyes covered my mouth.
But Hallie's a little bean farmer.
Made a bean.
What do you think about that? Is that pretty cool?
It's brown, dark brown.
Yeah.
I watered it.
Is that pretty cool?
2 beans.
2 beans from 2 seeds.
This is number 1. This is number 2 is bigger than number 1.
You have to go to school tomorrow and tell Miss Hinton that you got beans.
Bang!
Good job, Sissy.
Hey!
All right, guys. Now we will officially see you tomorrow at Checking the Traps. See ya. All right, guys. Well, it's day 2 of the trap adventure. The water actually came up some. It rained all overnight, all today. Got the whole crew with me today. Lindy is, well, crew as in all the kids. Lindy has an open house at the school tonight, so she is going to be hooked up there till late tonight. So we're going to run these traps. Then we're going to go home, and I don't know what we're going to do yet, but we're going to do some stuff.
Fun stuff.
Fun stuff. So,
Which is not taking naps.
which is not taking naps. So I'm going to pull these in here, and we're going to see what we got.
Yeah, it's nothing. Is this it right here? Yep, and we sit that one, see? There's 2. I'll do this one.
Here, I'll pull it in.
Okay, that go one in.
Step back, don't slide. Get away from that hill so you don't slide in the water.
There's another one over here. Catch this one? Nope.
Nothing.
Let's check the other one. Nothing. Let's check the other one. This is what I do at reading. Oh yeah.
What do you do?
Nothing.
What was you saying? Please be a fish.
Yeah, please be a fish.
Please be a fish.
I say, please, can I read? Can I read? Can I read? Can I read? As I do.
So you like reading?
Yeah. That was tossed way back in there. Would it be funny if Daddy flipped into the water? Oh, that's big. I know. Nothing. No, there's nothing.
Uh-oh.
A fish and a turtle. And a turtle. What kind of fish is that?
We hit the mother load. Ready?
That's awesome. We caught a
Look
lot
at
of.
that little bitty fish.
I know. I want to hold it. Give it one to me.
Oh.
I want to hold that one. No, I want to first. Ladies first. So cute.
That might be a little crappie.
Baby crappie?
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Can I hold the? What kind of turtle is that?
Oh. This is a perch. It's a little perch.
This looks purple. Look at this. Same color as mine.
Yeah.
Look at him breathing.
Yeah. Little bitty guy.
Can I hold it by the mouth?
Is there any more fish in there we need to get out?
This one's sucking. Well, look at that turtle. It's green.
Oh, look at this little bitty fish.
What? Oh my god! It's a minnow.
We caught a giant. Look at that giant. Oh.
He's so little.
We caught a giant fish. Look at the size of that thing. It's huge.
Ew, it's tiny. Tinier than this.
All right, let's throw these fish back. So how many fish did we catch? 3?
1, 2, 3,
4?
4.
4 fish? All right.
And 1 turtle.
Let's throw these back in the water.
Can I hold the turtle?
Yeah, we can hold the turtle here in a second.
Bye bye fish. Goodbye little baby crappie. You're so pretty. Turtle.
Is that all the fish? Let's make sure. We don't want any of them to die.
Want to hold the turtle? I want to hold the turtle. Is that a snapping turtle?
I don't know. Find out here in a minute.
Yep. No. Yep. It's a snapping turtle. Because snapping turtles live in water. Not at all. Can I have him?
He does not look happy. Hold on, Sissy. Watch out. Yeah, he's a snapping turtle.
I still want to hold him.
See his face.
Don't. I'm
You have to hold him back here like that.
This?
Yep. What do you think, buddy?
He's cute.
All right, don't step on the trap.
I had a baby turtle like this before.
Did you?
It's way tinier.
Way tinier?
Yeah. Ah! He's kicking me.
Yeah, he's trying to swim away.
Swim. Ow. This guy has sharp claws. Ew. Ouch.
Let's see if we can catch anything else. We'll come check it tomorrow after school.
I missed that one.
Hunter, you want to hold the turtle?
No. He hurt.
Why not?
Ouchie. Ouch.
What's he doing?
Scratching me.
He is?
His feet.
Hold him upright. Don't hold him upside down. There we go. Oh, he is not happy. Look at him. Hold him still.
That's the
He
first
is
turtle
not
I
happy at all.
That's the first turtle I said that
Look at him with his mouth open. He's wanting to bite something. Don't put your finger in there.
He's
So
snapping.
you don't want to hold him?
No.
Why? Scared he might chop you?
I'm gonna give him a stick.
No. Here, let's set him down right there and let him crawl into the water. Set him right on that slope.
Right here?
Yep.
I'm gonna watch him. That's a fast.
Woo!
Oh, he should be in a race. He's fast.
Say, stay out of our trap.
Stay out of our trap.
Hey, you guys think we'll catch him tomorrow?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I do too. All right, so that was a success. That's been our best trap job ever.
Oh, we got fish.
4 fish and a turtle.
Catch 5 stuff. All right, that's good that the turtle didn't eat the fish.
He may have ate some fish. There may have been some more fish in there, but he ate them up.
Yeah, I think I saw a dead fish in there.
Whatever. Whatever.
My hand hurts from that.
All right, guys, so that's pretty cool. Successful trip. I'm going to go ahead and leave it out. I'm working a half day tomorrow, so I'm going to pick the kids up at lunchtime, and then we'll come out here and check these traps again and see what we got. But it should be pretty cool. That'll be on the next video. Hopefully we catch some bigger perch, or I want some big old...
Like this?
I want some big old crawdads in there.
Like this?
With giant pinchers like lobsters like this.
Yeah, I actually...
Will you hold one if we catch it?
Yeah, I'm not holding lobster.
You'll hold the
I
big...
have a snapping turtle, so I can hold the...
You'll hold a big crawdad?
Yeah.
Cool.
If it's not too
And Hunter, you will?
big. I don't know.
I don't know, maybe.
Hunter was scared to touch a snapping turtle.
Hey, don't get on that slope right there and fall in like that turtle slid down there. All right, guys. Well, thanks again for watching this video. If you like this video, if you want to see more trapping videos, comment below. Let us know. Smash that like button. Hunter, you're going to fall in. And let us know some different things to use as bait. As Hunter said in the first one, drop in the comments below. We tried hot dogs and bread. Hallie, get off that slope. Hunter, get off that slope. I'm not going to tell you again. Get over here. These kids are just trying to fall in the water. They don't understand that little slope right there. They're standing right there. That after a rain like this, that mud, they're going to go get wet. I think they secretly want to.
What's that bubble?
He said I'd cannonball in there. That was a turtle that came up. So let us know in the comments below what we should use as bait. What you guys have tried in the past and what works best for you. Because we would love to catch more fish, but we really want to catch crawdads. So what's the best crawdad bait? I know we used to use bacon back in the day when we'd go crawdad gigging at night. We'd go there the day before and set out a bunch of bacon and stuff like that and come back and they'd all be on that bacon. But I don't know if I want to waste good bacon. So if you know of anything else that's not bacon, let me know. Drop in the comments below. We'll glad to use it. And never know what we'll catch. What?
What?
You guys got anything? No? Okay. Well, alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Once again, if you like this video, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, Moored Homestead.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
And
hit that like button.
And
ring that notification bell.
Ring that notification bell. Thank all you guys for watching again. Till next time, God bless.